I guess SNKRS App grew a little tired of me calling them toxic because they finally gave me one of these, a W. They didn't give me the got 'em screen. They literally just threw the W at me like, here, take it and get on somewhere. But let's go ahead and talk about what I got, what's on the way, and also Michigan football is back. And I am very sorry to Colorado State fans.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ. I'm taking a quick break from football only because we are handling business as we should in the big house. So college football truly kicked off, at least for me, with all the games in full force. I can't wait to actually watch Ohio State and Notre Dame tonight. I despise both schools. Let me make that very clear. I despise both schools, but I would love for Ohio State to lose. So Notre Dame, do your thing. But yeah, we're taking care of business there. Saturday, what happens on Saturday? Sneakers release. Well, actually, sneakers release like every 5 seconds. But specifically today, the Air Jordan 6 Georgetown dropped. And you guys know, well, maybe you didn't, but I've said it everywhere else. I wanted that pair. I've jokingly called them the Yankee 6s, not the Georgetown 6s, just because, duh, I'm definitely going to be biased if it's like predominantly gray, navy, and white. And guess what? I have those on the way. Now, to me, this is very similar to a basic pair just because it's all gray. So you guys should know what I'm styling this with, like a whole bunch of sweats and comfortable things and Yankees things. Like we all know this is coming, right? We all know this is happening. So whenever those arrive, because sneakers tends to be rather slow for me these days. So whenever they arrive, they arrive. I guess very much so like the Fear of God California in coral, which has still not shipped for me. It's like they're hand making it right there. Who knows? But I don't have that yet. Whenever it arrives, I'll go ahead and show you guys. New pickups though that are in. These are not hyped or anything in any way, but you know, when you're wrong about waiting for so long to treat yourself to something, and Ultraboost has been that thing for me. You know, I'm a big enough person to admit that. And eBay is the place for me. I've picked up 4 wow, that's bad. 4 pairs of Ultraboost in 2022 from eBay. 4 pairs. And yeah, so the 4th one arrived. Now this is the casual Ultraboost 21. I intend to just rock daily whenever, just for comfort. Now the other pair I picked up, I actually wear for daily walks or hikes on the treadmill when I'm using the Peloton app. So I picked this pair up. I think total I may have paid $80. And again, when you look at the fact that regular Ultraboost, when it drops, it's usually $180. That's a steal. So secured these off of eBay. I just love the pop of that screaming green. It literally does scream. So I love the pop of those. I've seen these on foot quite a bit. And people will remix them with, or should just remix style, whatever. They'll rock them with a lot of different Fear of God items. And hey, I wanted to go ahead and get them myself. So they're comfortable. Like there's not a whole lot I need to say about an Ultraboost 21. They're extremely comfortable. So they work for my feet. Now they won't work for everyone's feet. Every pair, every level of comfort, the softness, the support, it doesn't work for everyone's feet, but I finally found something that works really, really well for mine. And so pick these up. And then also the bucket hat that you guys see here. Now we know my struggle, right, with bucket hats right now. So making it work, it'll be a much easier fit once my hair is straight. But I secured this from mden.com, which is of course the Michigan store, and then the Ultraboost 21 from eBay. And what's on the way? So you guys see back there, I actually have, again, it's not hyped, it's just I buy what I like, and that's what you guys see on the channel. I never intended for this to be a QVC channel where everything that's new and on the scene is what you will see. No, that's not how the channel is structured, just candidly. I really wanted a Tyshawn Adidas pair. So I secured that because Adidas had a restock. So that's soon on the way. It won't be anything that's crazy long, but I really just wanted a pair of those in the collection. And then we'll go ahead and I'll have those featured in an upcoming video about grayscale and not going just all black. So shout out to Fly with Johnny Ty, who actually is inspiring this video. And yeah, I'll go over the gray New Balances that I have in my collection outside of the refined future, because it's Mirage gray, but it's like got an olive tone undertone to it. So I will have that up soon, and then I'll have that up soon as well. And whenever the Georgetown 6 arrives, I'll have that up. But what I'm curious to know, what did you guys secure this morning? What did you get a W on Saturday? Now, this Saturday, when I'm filming this, you're probably viewing it on Sunday when it actually goes up. So I would just love to know, did you secure a W on the 350 V2 slate, beige/black? Did you secure a W on the Georgetown 6? And if not, were there other pairs on the radar for you, had nothing to do with these two, that you got a W on? Or do you have your eye on something else? Go ahead, comment that below. Also, because you guys know I love to do this. We're in football season. Comment your squad below. If it's Ohio State, save it. I don't need you typing OHIO under here. I'm just being facetious and funny. Like, listen, this is the rivalry. You guys know what it is, all right? We just don't like each other, but it's all in fun and games. I appreciate you guys for tuning in to any and every video. I also, I just appreciate the positive vibes that we try to continue to just have present on every video. It never goes unnoticed by myself, and I just want to say I really appreciate you guys. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.